20 was okay. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I just popped in the middle of the screen. How are we? Are we doing good?
Are you streaming now without doing any? That's horrible. That's terrible. Start talking.
Are we good on Facebook? Welcome. Dun, 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 to the, I can't say the name yet, to our new product release. We have it in a box right here. We're going to go through, do an unboxing, and explain the new system as we do it, and then make a spool of filament and show you what this new machine is capable of. So without further ado, Josh, let's open the box. It's a big box. Custom box, custom padded.
70 plus pounds.
70 plus pounds. It's a heavy machine. So when you first open the box, what you're gonna see, you know what? I should probably let's pull this way. This way. There we go. Josh, let's go through this stuff. Got some gloves.
Heat gloves so you don't burn yourself when you're cleaning it.
They don't know what it is yet.
Yeah.
Nice gloves.
Alright, come on, hurry up.
Okay, sorry. Kevin's excited to get into this.
No, I just hate videos that take too long.
He hates videos that take too long. Okay. So the next thing is we have our extruder screw. You'll notice that it is outside of the
I
system.
didn't even say what it is. It's an extruder. That's the screw.
This is the screw.
Typical stuff you get with your normal Filabot.
So purge compound for cleaning out the system. This is the beautiful hopper for the new system. Just put this here. Power cord. Lid. Nice power cord. I'll go plug that in.
All our power cord.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, when I watch a video on YouTube and people unbox stuff, it takes forever. I get really bored.
You don't watch?
I don't watch the rest of it. Extra padding.
I'm just gonna stand here.
Table? No, I'm putting it on the floor.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that's the back side. Let's, yeah, okay, cool.
Extruder.
So here it is. This is our new EX6 extruder system. It's huge. It weighs a lot.
55 pounds.
55 pounds, and then it's just a big system. All right. So the hopper. We have a new quick connect hopper. Get rid of this thing. Hopper here has a beautiful slide valve that you can cut the pellets off, pull the hopper off, clean the system very easily. Hopper goes on by undoing 2 wing nuts. All right, what's our next step with this thing?
Well, what did you just turned it on, right?
Oh yeah, so we just turned it on. We got it heating up. We have 4 heat zones on the unit. 3 heat zones are forward on the screw, and then we have 1 heat zone in the hopper. Correct me if I'm wrong, Kevin.
That's correct.
Sweet. And then all sections are independently controlled with 4 temperature controllers. Each have a fan on it, so you can really, get that separate temperature zone to get those special profiles through the screw for whatever, like so. With the magnets out of the way. Actually, okay, so the reason this is removable.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Yeah,
wait a minute.
let's dive into this a little more. This is our stock screw. This will come with every EX6 system. The other screws, well, that's why it's removable, is because we can have other screw profiles, and basically you can expand the types of materials that this system
Which is important, yeah. With different materials, you usually need a different compression ratio.
Different feed.
Sometimes different pitches on your screw threads. You could even have screws with multiple threads.
Right.
Multiple flights.
So the EX6 platform can take removable screws like this
That's a 24 LD ratio screw, which is pretty common in the industry.
24 to 1. So it's length over diameter. So 24 to 1 is a common size. And that technical stuff. So anyway, removable for upgrading.
That's technical specs.
That's technical specs. That's on the website. You can upgrade, change out different screws, and cleaning. Cleaning this screw, from what I hear, is a lot easier than the EX2 because the EX2 screw is not removable. This screw comes right out. You can clean it, and that's why you'd have these gloves to grab it, the hot screw. So anyway, let's put it in.
Don't burn yourself. You're supposed to have gloves on.
I'm supposed to have gloves on. Should I put both? I guess I should have put the screw in before I put the hopper on.
Yeah, another thing you can do is use that to push the screw in after you turn it on.
Okay, so we're gonna turn an extruder motor on?
Yep.
So that's how the square
Yep.
back of the screw. You didn't really show them the square back, but it's got a square back on the screw and it fits in.
Yeah, it has a pocket, square drive goes in, and that's it.
Screws in.
Screws in. Nice. All right, where's the nozzle?
Did you want to kind of explain why we have this machine now?
Sure. You want to do that while you guys are setting it up?
It's gonna take a second to warm up.
Okay. All right. So, yes, thank you, Kevin. The reason we built this machine is because we have a lot of industry or plastic companies, companies that have plastic that they need to convert into feedstock for 3D printers. This machine allows a wider range of plastics to be used. With those different temp zones, we can get different profiles, we can get faster speed. Industrial control. It's really taking the large extruder systems, we made it smaller, and we can also do, oh geez, I'm not even full screen here. I'm so excited about the unit. Yeah, what else does the
So the
system
main
do?
differences between the EX2 and the EX6 are the multiple zones, the longer screw, all things that make your output more consistent and make your amount of plastics you can use much wider range. You've also got more readouts, so you can read the voltage to the motor, the current to the motor, which can help you troubleshoot consistency issues. The fan controls, the whole thing's vented properly so that you can run for a very long period, basically 24/7.
And not have heat creep back to the hopper area. And
so the whole thing's designed to run continuously, whereas the other systems are made to run more like 4 hours or so. They're not production systems. This is a production system for large quantities of filament.
cool.
So people have been we've had customers asking for a system this size to do larger batches and even production level batches. And there's not really anything in the industry that's this size for the price point that we're going to be hitting. So
That's bridging like the research and then also production when you figure out your new plastic you're working with.
yeah, so we think
Nice.
a lot of our customers that have been asking for this are going to find great value in it.
Just got a hello from Mexico. Thank you.
Hello, Mexico.
Yay.
It's warm there.
Yeah. I turned the heat up in here. It's warm in here. Or it's just a live video. It's probably a live video. A system has 1 year warranty. And I mean, this is a robust system to begin with. I mean, Kevin's our lead engineer here. Kevin has broken, well, actually, Josh has probably broken more systems, right? Of the EX2
Yeah.
prototypes when we were building them. But we've been building the system for about 1.5 years. A lot of time, a lot of broken. Why are you laughing?
Steven's response to why it's hot in here is, or it's you.
Thank you, Steven. When does that kid work? I'm gonna have to talk to him about that. Anyway, a lot of time into this. I see.
So we've been using prototypes of this for about 2 years, and we've found that it just is the greatest production size. It's not too big, it's not too small. So we think a lot of small filament houses are going to find this machine very valuable. We've had a lot of people that are expanding into not only just testing polymers with our machines, but also producing new polymers, because larger companies like Hatchbox and stuff, they'll just have one type of polymer, one type of PLA. But people want to really make their own and produce them, so this machine will be able to do that.
At that smaller
Is it up to
scale,
10
but
now?
also.
Doesn't really have the thing.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
It is, it's almost up to temp anyway. Yeah. So previously we tuned the PIDs, also
The Facebook live going. All right. Okay. YouTube is back up. Okay. Count. This is for the YouTube channel. 25% off for the first 5 purchases for the EX6. Okay.
Use code here.
that.
Code's right there.
If you missed it, do you want to say the price again?
Price of the unit is yeah. If you missed it, the price of the unit is $9,500 or $9,499. $1 less. All right. Cool. Let's
Got all
make
your support, got your warranty.
warranty, phone support, customer support, 1-year warranty. I mean, I think this unit is gonna last. It's got a long duty
It's built-
cycle.
Yeah, it's built to run 24/7 for a long, long time. And all like the motor brushes are replaceable. Everything's can be disassembled and fixed. You could replace parts like the barrel. If you get a piece of metal in there and wreck your barrel, we can replace that pretty easily. Yeah, it's designed to last and work for a long time.
And be replaceable and upgradable with that
Yeah,
the screw design.
absolutely.
That was one of our biggest I think design
Yep.
features we wanted to include in this was
Yeah, it's
that.
got a lot of expandability. We could even make longer barrels with more heat zones. We just have extend the system.
Yep.
Versatile.
Right. Cool.
Where did you want
Are
to?
we
Did you want
s-
to talk
or-
about this before we get
Yes,
going?
yes. So we can't really see it in the camera, but you'll see blue tape on top of our air path system.
That's fast.
This is really fast, like really, really, really fast compared to the EX2. This will do, what was it, 10 pounds an hour? Over 10 pounds an hour
Yeah.
at full speed. And we have 2 air paths here, and it actually is too fast for 2 air paths. And we also had to add this blue, I guess it's painter's tape.
It is painter's tape.
It's painter's
So
tape.
this was actually suggested by, oh shoot, I forgot his name. So
Brandon?
when we sent it to Brandon, yep.
Over at
Printerbot.
Printerbot, I think. He's
I
working
don't know
with
if he
Brooke.
He's working with Brooke, but yeah, he suggested this.
So this is
And
a
this was part of the original. We were going to update to this anyway, but for the EX6, since it's so fast, we had to increase the airspeed. So it's lower airflow, but it's higher airspeed.
and the tape basically blocks off the fans. But very cheap update for this system. Sweet. So that's what the blue tape is. Okay. Do you want the magnets off, Josh, before we run filament?
Sure. Make it easier.
Boom, boom, boom.
Did you explain the top?
The controls.
No. Okay, we can. Now that we have it all. Actually, Kevin, do you want to go through the controls?
Well, it's very basically 4 of our current system. So you've got the 4 heat zones, same PIDs. Differences are we've got cooling now, so we've got fan controls for 2 zones in the front, the feed throat, and then we've got a fan on the motor to keep everything nice and cool. We've got great airflow through here. We've got vents on the sides, both sides, and the bottom.
And back here.
In the manual, you'll find all sorts of information on how to use these controls. Start and stop buttons and a speed control, and then a main power switch.
Speed control is for the screw speed.
Yep.
Did you go over these? Yes.
Oh yeah, so on the motor, this is a 90 volt DC 1/2 horsepower motor. So we've got a DC voltage readout to the motor and DC amps, and that's helpful for monitoring surging and flow issues, and it can help you diagnose issues too. So then you can change your temperatures.
Analog style.
Yep. Analog, we chose analog because it's more helpful for seeing cyclic movements, cyclic issues
Oscillations.
with your amperage, which can help you tell what's happening with the screw. if you're getting surging, if you're getting cyclic torque changes, it can mean that like the polymer is breaking up too early, or it's melting too early, or you've got your feed throw too hot. And once you've used a machine like this for a while, you can usually tell what's happening just by seeing the readouts.
Awesome.
So, but there'll be more information on that, like troubleshooting in the manual and stuff.
Cool. Will you heat it up?
Yep. Fill up the temp.
Slide valve hopper can get sticky depending on your pellet size. You get them jammed in there.
3870.
PLA.
The newest PLA from NatureWorks. What? About PLA? Ah, 3870? Josh loves it. Let's start with that.
My favorite stuff.
3870, I think I mentioned this in some past videos. It's the newest PLA. Has the highest tensile strength, flexural. I'm not good with words here. I can't even
It's
say
really
it.
strong glass.
It's
Strong stuff.
yeah,
It prints very well.
really nice. Oh, it's coming out. When you first get a system, I'm gonna not touch the system while Josh is setting it up. When you first heat up your new EX6, there may be some smoke, oil from manufacturing.
There also might be debris in the barrel. You got some little bit of brownness.
What? Here?
Not really. Josh does it by himself all the time.
You looking for these? Oh.
Oh, where's the rolling power?
Battery's dead.
No, I fixed it. I put a new battery in it.
Sweet. Oh, let me zoom in on it. Don't move. Ah, it's moving. All right. There, we're good.
Okay, it's a little bit higher than what we were.
Bum, bum, bum. How many engineers does it take to get tolerance filament?
Takes like 3 or 4.
Nice thing about the hopper here is that it's expandable. We plan to make different sizes, so if you are doing a production run that's larger than, I think this hopper is about 2 pounds. So if you're doing like 10 pounds, we'll have a bigger hopper. Got some nice handles on the EX6. You can grab it and lift it up. Weighs, the unit itself weighs like 55 pounds. Currently, we're gonna make 1 pound of filament in about 15 minutes. If we could cool the filament faster, we could make more filament because we could have this unit turned up at higher speed. Over there? Can you do that with Facebook? I'll do it. Do I just like, what? Can you undo it and flip it? Dun dun. Oh no. How do I turn it around? All right, so we are dialing in the filament. That's pretty good. We like to keep it a little bit low. We find it works better with most printers. It's just a little under 175, so we've got it 173, 174. Nice. I'm gonna go over to the spool. Kevin, could you step to the right a little? I want our YouTube video stream to see how fast it's going. So this is at 1/3 output speed for that. And we can't go any faster because we can't cool it any faster. You could do this with one air pack. If you have 12 feet or more, maybe like 15 feet to the spooler. Because the point of the first air path is this filament here is no longer sticky. It's not completely cool, but it's no longer sticky, so you can run a few guides and just let it cool in a longer area. So you still really only need one air pack, but for the purpose of the demonstration, I'm going to try to do it in a smaller area. Water bath cooling is also an option. You can make your own if you're planning to come out with water something soon. Well, I really like filming with a live, like getting the camera right in. That's nice. So yeah, we are making filament. Again. Yep, color filament. Look at that beautiful shot. That's nice.
Show them how we're printing it before.
Oh yeah.
Did you see this?
What?
Dun, dun, dun. Do we have any questions from the audience? I just got like a thumbs up thing on this. Another one. Oh, another one. Oh, what? Okay. What about it? Okay, I need somebody. Can somebody do the YouTube one? We can just let the YouTube one keep going. Oh no, you can leave it. No, we aren't gonna move it. Sorry, YouTube. Okay, we're gonna take you into our 3D printing room. Here's our startup waste. Not much, but that's because we had already gone through the first startup. You probably come out a little bit more when you're trying to clear the system out first run, but once you get the settings dialed in, which doesn't take very long. I think it took us about half an hour. And maybe about double this amount of plastic. It was dialed in, and then the startup is basically what we just did. Not bad. Recycle. Well, the grinder's got ABS in it right now. Yeah. ground up a bunch of ABS prints recently. Okay, we are about halfway on a spool right now. Yeah, we are. Okay, we're a little under halfway. Oh, let's go through this stuff. I'm gonna put it all over here. Okay, so we did this in the beginning of the video. Can someone hold this?
What am I doing?
Oh, you don't really have to do anything. You can zoom in if you want. Go like this. Or that's the wide one. Just let me know if I'm in screen.
Okay.
So I'm going to quickly go over what is in an EX6 box. Again, I did do on 2 nozzles, 0.75. Huh?
YouTube's out.
Oh.
Oh, stream resumed. Probably next video.
This is cleaning gauze, which is basically copper. Cleaning gauze. Kind of like really weak chainmail. Is that one dead? YouTube? I mean, it's still streaming.
Yeah, it's back up now.
This is you run around a screw. Josh, we'll be doing a video demo of cleaning at some point.
Just do it on this one. Because you can put chapters in.
Yeah.
Just put links to the. You can do it. Come on, it doesn't take very long.
What's our time? What are we on? Okay, and then these beautiful gloves that you use so you don't burn yourself. That is what is included in a EX6 system. Okay, what else we got? Internet still.
It's kind of cutting in and out.
Is it the drop down that keeps coming?
There was drop down once, but then it was getting all pixelated.
Ah, bummer. Okay, any other questions about the EX6?
How's your filament doing?
Pretty good. You can feel the air coming right off it. So yeah, that's the EX6.
What about 172, 173?
All right, cool. So thank you for tuning in, watching the video. Sorry we had an internet glitch. We don't have good internet here. If you have any questions, please give us. No, we're not going to clean it right now. That's going to be a whole video because I want to do the uniframe, the race, to see who's what's quicker. We know that this is going to win, but oh, I'm being reminded to show this again. First 5 purchases will get 25% off the EX6. First 5, they're gonna go quick. And if you have any questions, please send us an email, give us a call, tweet us, Facebook us, anything else. Thank you.